Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, I want to see your face. Can you on your camera first? Yeah, right. For the first, I would like to say thank you for your coming. And then, how are you today? How are
I'm
you today?
fine.
Keren.
Okay, okay, good. Long time no see ya, lama tidak berjumpa. Before we start the lesson, let's we pray together. I want Ramadhani. Can you lead to pray first? Time is yours, Ramadhani.
Okay, friend. Let's play together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Ramadhani. Let me check your present first. Farhan, are you there, Farhan?
Yeah.
Present ya, Ramadhani.
Present.
Okay, let we start the lesson. You can see the slide. Bisa lihat slide saya?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, I have a question for you. If you want to go to school, would you like to use car? Kalau ingin ke sekolah, mau pakai mobil?
No,
Oh, no. Why? Why you don't want to use car?
because crowded.
Oh yeah, good. Crowded ya. So it's better you use bicycle or motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle ya, it's easier ya. Then, okay, today we are going to study about analytical exposition ya. First, I would like to play a video. Please watch the video first ya. Why the car should be banned? Pita?
Cars create pollution.
Okay, cars create pollution. Next, what is the most important reason that cars should be banned? Let me ask Salvis, ya. Salvis.
Microload.
More load, ya.
Yeah.
Okay, next. So, the advantage of using car, it is comfortable, loads many people. We don't get rainy. It is not hot, of course, because there is an air conditioner. And then disadvantage, wasting fertilizer, crowded, pollution, and cause the death. Yeah. So you can see here the use of car, the advantages, easy to go everywhere, load many people. The disadvantages, create pollution, cause an accident, illness, ya, membuat kita sakit, such as bronchitis, lung cancer, asthma, die or death, ya. Okay, today we are going to study about analytical exposition, ya. I have a tag of analytical exposition. The title is "The car should be banned." In analytical exposition, we have generic structure. Yeah, for the first thesis, this is in the first paragraph, argument and reiteration. Okay, let me check it one by one. The first thesis, thesis. Cars should be banned in the city. Harus dilarang. As we all know, cars create pollution. This is called as thesis, ya. Let me ask you, what is the meaning of introduction? Ya, introduction, what is that? Pak Ik? Ya, introduction. What is the meaning of introduction? Pengenalan. Ya, introduction means pengenalan. Conclusion mean kesimpulan. If you want to make a text of analytical, you have to use feeling, expression of feeling. The first now, realize and think. Now, do you know the meaning of now?
Seberapa tahu?
Seberapa tahu ya? Now itu artinya tahu. Oke, let me open. We know that cars contribute the most pollution in the world. So you have to use now if you want to in analytical exposition. Realize. Tadi the meaning is menyadari ya. And think. Nah, saya mau tanya ini. I want to ask. The meaning of think.
Berpikir.
Oh ya, good. Berpikir ya. Oke. I think cars today are our road's biggest killer. Berarti saya pikir mobil pembunuh yang terbesar ya di jalanan. Okay, next. After expression of feeling, you have to use causal conjunction. For example, as a result. Next, internal conjunction. You have to use first, second ya. So, what is analytical exposition? Yeah, I want someone read the meaning. Rahmanita, are you there, Rahmanita?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, please read. What is the meaning of analytical? It is type of
The text that elaborates the written idea about phenomenon or situation.
analytical exposition means about the text that elaborate for the writer's idea. Ide si penulis
Boleh.
about phenomena. Now we will study about simple present. If you want to make a sentence in analytical, you have to use simple present. There are some type: positive, negative, interrogative, and kata sifat atau adjective. Let me open positive first. You have to use verb 1, verb S. Ya, kata kerja verb 1 atau verb S. You can use verb 1 if the subject is I, you, we, they. And then kata sifat, just consider with this one. I, you use am. He, she, it, and singular, you have to use is. You, we, they, you have to use are. Okay, this is simple present. Now, we are going to study about, this one. Yeah, arrange the words into good sentence. Arrange, apa ya arrange ya? Menyusun the word into good sentence. Coba deh Ramadhani dulu boleh? Yuk Ramadhani. Smoking people disturb in restaurant. The first word is smoking berarti ya.
Yes.
Smoking. After smoking?
Disturb.
Oh, disturb. Okay. Disturb. After disturb?
People
People. Ya, after people?
in restaurant.
In restaurant. Let me check. Is it true or not? Smoking disturb people in restaurant. Okay, good. Yeah. Now I want you to try to write an analytical exposition text together. The first paragraph is smoking good for us. I want you, to write analytical exposition text together by considering this thesis, argument, and reiteration. I want you to write its sentence in a group of 3. I have divided you into some group. Let me show you in WhatsApp. Group A, Pasit and friends ya. Pasit, Jalwis, Destiara. Oke, Pasit? Pasit? Ya, oke, good. And then group C, Farhan ya. Farhan, I cannot hear your voice.
Yes.
Ya, Okay, good. Now, I give you some minute. Please make a sentence of analytical exposition by considering thesis, argument, and reiteration. Buatkan saya kalimatnya based on the clue, berdasarkan clue-nya ya. Oke, time is yours. You can use chat in this group. Silahkan boleh chat. I give you 10 minutes ya. I give you 10 minutes. Saya kasih waktu 10 menit. Oke. Time is over. Now I want to check your job. Oke, first. Ramadhani, silakan.
Yes, mom.
Ya, your sentence please. Kan, tesisnya apa?
His thesis is smoking is dangerous because it contain chemicals that cigarettes contain chemicals are not healthy for the body.
Okay, cigarette content of chemical. Okay, reiteration.
Chemicals that are not that harmful to the body, that can make you sick, lung cancer, asthma, that growth, and much more.
Yeah, cigarette can cause death and harmful for the body, such as lung cancer and etc. Ya. Good. Well, this is the way ya. Ini caranya untuk membuat kalimat ya in analytical exposition. Don't forget make your mind mapping. Ya, buat mind mappingnya. And then just write number 1, the answer is number 2 and number 3. Ya. Yeah, I have sent the link in your chat box or in WhatsApp ya. Just open and then do or answer the question number 1 until number 5. Ya, kita cek. Okay, good. And then the other. Number 1, paragraph 1, paragraph 5. Okay, good. Okay. Homework, yeah. Write analytical exposition in a group of 3 students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.